If you're seeing this, just know that I tried and I'm not a professional. So many reasons where I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See what you did, okay, so my birthday is tomorrow, November 20th. And I've been curating my birthday look for the past couple weeks. So, along with the look, I felt like I needed some icy white hair. I was thinking like Ice Queen, like Elsa, but like mixed with Cinderella, but like fairy queen something. So, my dress is blue that I'm working on. It's almost done. Thank God. My whole outfit is blue, and I'm like, I just need the icy white hair. So 2 days ago, I did the whole bleach process and toned the hair in purple shampoo. Basically went through the whole process of like when I'm lightening my hair to go green, because my hair is typically green. But I'm turning 32. I just felt like I just need something different. Like everything just needs to be different. Like I feel different. Not necessarily new, but just different, you know? So I went through the whole lightening process that I typically do. But I'm like, okay, let me get a titanium color to put on top to like even out the yellow. Long story short, I don't like how my hair came out. So I bleached my hair 2 days ago, toned it, left it alone. And I was telling my sister, like, I really feel like I need to bleach my hair again. And she's like, oh no, we can go to Sally's and get this toner. And this is this, that, and the third. My sister did go to cosmetology school. I'm telling her, like, nah, bro, I'm telling you, I need to bleach it again. Feel me? She's like, okay, whatever you say. So last night I went down the YouTube rabbit hole. And for everybody that I seen that was my color and had short hair like me and white hair, they did a double bleach process. And their bleach process was pretty lengthy. So I'm like, I think I gave my hair a good enough break. I'm already bald. I plan on going to the barber on Thursday to get like a nice cleanup. So I'm like, what's another bleach process to a girl like me? So that is what I'm gonna do today. And hopefully it comes out the way I want it to come out, because if it doesn't, I'm just gonna cry. I did have my hair platinum before, like 2021. But it was like a really low bold buzz cut. And how I actually ended up achieving the platinum was that after I had bleached my hair, I did 2 bleach processes. They weren't that long, probably 30 minutes each. And I washed my hair every day for like a week or two with purple shampoo. So eventually over time, the brassiness just faded away. But I don't have 2 weeks. I have 24 hours. So, yeah, let's see where we're at now, and then we can go on this journey together of going white. Okay, so this is the catastrophe that I have ended up with. As you can see, there is gray, there is brassiness, not looking white at all. So let's bleach and pray for the best. So first things first, got my Vasaline. before I do anything. Okay, we're just gonna prep our hairline really good. And get that all around. Like I said, I'm not new to bleach and doing my own hair because I had my hair green for like 6 years. So I've gone through all the phases of green to find the correct green and find the perfect process for going green. But this is a fairly new process going white. So boom. Vaseline now. So for bleach, I'm gonna use Quick Blue. Sometimes I use Quick Blue, sometimes I use Kiss, sometimes I use BW. I think I'm just gonna go with the blue because I'm trying to eliminate the blue. It just feels right. I don't know. I could be wrong, but we'll see. 30 developer. This is what we're gonna use to bleach. Again, I'm not no professional. I just don't like people touching my head. So I'm just always gonna do my own hair. That's just me. I don't trust people. I don't trust my head in the hands of others. And if I do, you must be one special cookie because no. Got my gloves. Got my little iced tea container and my application brush. So I'm gonna mix the bleach and we will start applying. I got my bleach mixed. So now I'm just gonna apply this all over. Imagine I crochet for a living and using an application brush is the thing that crimps my hand up. I just finished the bleach application and my hair is starting to look pink. sure this is a chemical reaction due to the color that I put in. But I guess if you want a icy pink, maybe bleach your hair, leave it in for 30 minutes. Add a T14 toner, and then color your hair titanium, and then wait 2 days, and then bleach it, and you'll have pink hair. But all of the videos I seen said to leave it in for an hour, so I'm just gonna trust the process and trust that it's not gonna stay pink. So I'll be back in an hour, and let's see how this goes. Did my saran wrap so it could really bake up in there. And yeah, if this does not work out and my hair is pink, I'm simply just gonna take my clippers and trim this down, and we're just gonna have a pink baldy. Let's pray for white though. Let's pray for white. But this is all a learning experience. Like I said, I'm not no professional. So let's see. So we are back. I do have a little tint today, but it's white basically. I mean, if you put it up against the white, it's not white, but it's white. It's white. And that's what I wanted. That's what I was going for. So after I rinsed the bleach out, I used the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. Left that in for 2 minutes. And then I found this Shimmer Lights violet toning mask at the beauty supply store. Left that on for 5 minutes. It kind of eliminated that extra like pinkish, yellowish kind of tone. My roots here in the front do look a little yellowish, but for the most part, this looks so much closer to what I wanted compared to what it was before. My mom does mix shea butters, and she has like her own butter mix that she made me for my skin and for my hair. So for the hair one, I just put that in to condition my hair even more and treat it. So now I'm gonna slick the hair, do-rag it down, and I'll be back with my final look. So excited. Okay, my hair styled and laid. I'm really happy with how the color came out. I'm super excited. All right. I'm gonna show y'all. Ooh, storm. Where? Period. Calm low 613 bust down. So yes, finally got the color that I wanted for my birthday, and now I'm feeling complete now. If y'all enjoyed this process, thank y'all for showing some love. If y'all want to see a video of how I color my hair green, that could be fun. Let me know. But yeah, this is the white result, and I'm ready for tomorrow. just finished my dress too, so birthday vlog will be up. But here's how I went from a failed attempt to get white to achieving this look. Thank you guys for joining me. Bye.